This is these are border traders, and they are talking to a politician who promised them that they will be given 2,500 Kenyan shilling each in order for them to give him a support. I don't know, the first promise was broken and they are now pursuing a second promise that they were told they are causing a very big traffic jam. And they are just near police. This is too much. They have blocked the road and they are causing a big traffic jam. Police ameingia. The police is here. Most of them will be in trouble soon. See, police are hapa.